Hi there. Today we'll show you how to add a new driver to your fleet. After you sign into My Hub, go to Company Management tab. There, choose Drivers. Tap on Add Driver button. There's a window with two fields to fill in. Type in the telephone number of the driver you want to invite. Choose the subscription plan you need. And just tap Add. The driver gets an SMS with the driver app link to download and register a profile. Once he submits the registration request, a manager cross-checks his profile and links him to the required service type. After that, the driver reassesses the app and becomes active. In the Drivers tab, you can also suspend, transfer, and delete a driver's profile. To do so, tap on More Items button. Choose Suspend if you want to temporarily disable the driver. Transfer profile in case you need to move the profile to a new number. Delete if you want to erase the profile completely. You can also choose the most convenient layout of driver's table, switching selected details on and off. That's it for today. See you in the next videos.